You guys, YouTube is not just a video app. It's one of the biggest platform on internet. And the crazy part is that most of us, the bigger number of people, they are using it for entertainment, while the few are using it for making money for full-time income. I'm telling you, they get income from it. I'm expectant. I'm very 100% expectant to get money every 21st to 28th of the month. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube. Here, I'm going to show you the powerful, straight strategy to this point, because that's why we are on social media. I don't know why you're on social media. I don't know why you're on Instagram and TikTok, but tonight we're going to look at YouTube. It is the second largest platform after Google. If you're serious about making money online, YouTube should not be left out. Recently, someone was telling me he wants to make money online, on live on TikTok, and I was like, which platforms do you want? YouTube was not among them. Was talking about TikTok, was talking about Instagram, was just somewhere there. That's how I brought this video topic. So don't see YouTube as an optional platform if you want to start making money online. It should be a priority. It should be the first. But you must treat it as a project, a real project, not a side joke, not a hustle. I'm hearing people thinking it is a hustle. Here, when I'm talking about making money online, I'm not thinking about hustle. I'm thinking about passive income. I'm thinking about real money. Yes. Before we dive into this video, I would love to say God bless you all. Thank you for tuning to this mind-blowing video. And this is a disclaimer. I'm not here to entice you to say that you're going to be a millionaire. No. I'm bringing for you tips, which is like less than 10%. So it's up to you. Disregard everything. Call it educational. It's an educational video. You can use it. You cannot use it, but you have to go and first do some research. Yes, this is how we'll know that you want to make money online. And my special people, who are these special people? They are engagers. They are part of creators, by the way. It's because of them that I keep coming. It's because of you top engagers that I keep getting ideas. I keep making money myself. So I said, YouTube, just come. I love you so much. You know yourself. And now, this video should not be long. It is going to be short, but I would love you to write in the comment section. Do you treat it as an entertainment center, as a video app? I mean YouTube. How do you treat it? How do you treat it? What do you do there on YouTube? Let's dive in. The first part we are going to make to see how to make money on YouTube. That is the first thing. Making money on YouTube, you can make it in multiple ways. So we are going to talk about it. There are different multiple ways of making money on YouTube. One, we have ad revenue. Two, we have YPP, that is YouTube Partner Program, whereby you need to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or short requirements like 1 million and others. Then you start joining and start earning from YouTube Partner Program. Then you can also earn from brand deals. Brand deals and sponsorship. You've seen people trying to show you, I'm doing this, I want you to buy this product is good, this and this. Go to Katwe Electronics, go to Mirembe in Zambia. Those people with those, they own brand deals and sponsorship. And with brand deals and sponsorship, you can do it in a bigger way through online, or you can do it through the shop. Then affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best things that every creator needs to do on social media, especially on YouTube. Why? Because right now, if I tell you the lighting I'm using, I bought it on Amazon. The phone I'm using, it was Amazon. So what if I join the affiliate marketeers on Amazon and I put the link? Wouldn't you buy it? If you wouldn't buy the same phone, but you can use my link and buy something else. This is what affiliate marketing is all about. Then selling your own products or services. I've developed different templates, and the major one, there are two. The first template, I developed a template on how to be financially free from zero. That is by taming your appetite for spending and other things, and how to make income be seen in United Arab Emirates. I have a template. That template is sold at only $1.5. So that one is, I sell it on my own platforms. The second one is my books. I have 3 books which are not yet published. Those ones, the books, still I can sell them on my, these are my products. You might be selling perfume, you might be selling necklace, you might be selling earrings, you might be selling anything. Your products you can sell, or services. Talk about any service you know. Are you a graphic designer? Are you a hairstylist? So these are the services. The more value and attention you build, the more income streams you unlock. You know, the more you go. I did not start from making a template. I started from down. Then the two, when we're talking about making money on YouTube, what we focus on as a beginner matters. This is the second part you need to know. As a beginner, pick a niche. A niche is like your business product. Do you think you want to go to sell? If you want to start business, are you going to sell second-hand clothes? Are you going to sell necklaces? Are you going to sell bam, nyash? Are you going to sell? What are you going to sell? So it's the same as on YouTube. You pick a niche. Niches, we have like education, we have lifestyle, we have finance, we have entertainment, we have this the blogger. Even bloggers have a niche, maybe comedy. We have a real estate. There are very many. The moment you pick a niche, be consistent. Post at least 1 to 3 times a week. If you're not posting, post at least 3. Get to know that YouTube rewards consistency, and I've seen it work. Create searchable content. It's not about that you have views today, you know you're on top of the world. What are people searching for? That's how videos keep money month after month. But if you bring your video which is going viral today because it is talking about Iran, because it is talking about your comedian home, about your musician home, you'll get millions of views today without money, and tomorrow you'll still be like an income earner. Just that salary earner, I mean. The third thing to focus on is what you should, why YouTube is powerful. I want you to know this before we end this video. Unlike other platforms, you guys, YouTube content live longer. A single video can pay you for years. I have a video that I made 4 years back with the airline, Uganda Airline. Up to now, it is bringing me money. I have a video that I made 5 years back when there was rains in United Arab Emirates. 5 years. It's giving me money. So that's why it is called long-term income platform, not short-term. This one I want to give it to you as a pro tip. Be honest. I'm honest with you. If you're coming, I saw someone calling me, and when in our talking, I really saw this person is on a mission of get rich quick. You know, when you're talking to somebody and you hear what he's talking or she's talking, no, this platform is not for short-term, quick money, no. You might post for weeks, months, and the results is not coming. Why? You have to develop the foundation. But the difference is that if you stay consistent, you eventually earn big. Yes. Like what I can tell you about me, treat YouTube as your project, plan well, improve your editing skills, your talking skills, study discipline, even stay consistent and learn other things. Discipline is paramount. Don't post random and expect things. YouTube is not circulated like any other.